That's me.
So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Serena, hence the intro. That's so Renna. You get it corny, I know, but that's just how we are here. Yes, I am wearing a Rick and Morty shirt. Let's just get that out the way. I am going to be doing an initial review today. I usually don't do reviews or, you know, I don't usually go toward the tutorial side of the makeup world of YouTube. But yeah, I already did my eyebrows because, you know, that's irrelevant. We're not here for the brows. We're here for this pigment. I just recently purchased the Smudge Cloud 9 palette. If you look on the back, it has all the ingredients, you know, cruelty free, always the lifespan, and that is recyclable. And you know, all the ingredients, just in case you might be allergic. I don't know what y'all allergic to. You know, y'all might be like that. Y'all might be like that. Y'all might be allergic. I'm not allergic to nothing. Well, I am, but it's medication. It's nothing to do with makeup. Anyways, so it has a mirror inside, and these are the colors. I will insert a swatch on the screen now of what it looks like. But these are the shades. Very cute, very pigmented, if I must say. Honey, the girls are screaming. And I love that the size of the mirror, because y'all know, I love the size of the mirror because y'all know your girl is blind, okay? So I usually have this mirror right here, but now I can just hold the palette, you know, to my face. All right, let's scoot up, shall we? Let's scoot up. Yes, Corey and I are friends. However, I pay full price for my items from her. I fully support her. If it made it to my channel, I genuinely like it. Let's just get that out the way. And y'all know I'm stocked up with the Smudge Cosmetic glosses. Now that she branched out into eyeshadow, I'm here for it, baby. And we gonna do a look. Because apparently y'all be forgetting I used to do this makeup life. I did this makeup life. Also, I'm doing a TikTok anyway. I mean, not a TikTok, a reel on Instagram anyway, using the palette, just, you know, because I want to. So I was like, I might as well do a video of me doing it, you know? So that's what we doing today, period. All right, so if you're interested in that, you know, stay tuned. You know, just stay tuned, just stay tuned. And I'm gonna zoom y'all like in, like all the way in. So just wait on the concealer cleaned up under my brows, and I'm just pulling it down so that everything here is the same color. All right, we just patting that out. Y'all know these melanin eyelids, sometimes they get dark, honey. I want these eyeshadows to pop. Don't take nothing away from the shadow. Okay. All right, so we're working with this eye today, as y'all can see. I'm gonna zoom y'all in now. You know, we're gonna get up close and personal so y'all can see this pigment as I apply it. Okay, so y'all must have thought I was kidding about up close and personal. Y'all all in my zone, honey. Ooh. Back, honey. Back. Am I in focus? Let me make sure I'm in focus. Let me sit up. All right, we up close and personal now. I seen this picture. I will put it on the screen for y'all to see like the inspiration here. We're gonna do that. Okay, so we got this eye to do. I got my brushes. All right, so the shades I'm gonna be using is Be Humble. We're obviously gonna use that transition shade, honey. I see you, girl. Thank you for putting that in there. Thank you for putting that in there. We're gonna use Superstar. No, we'll use All Nighter in the crease. And obviously Level Up will be to break the colors up. Yeah. All right, let's just get into it, shall we? We're gonna start with that. We're gonna start with the transition shade. Fluffy brush like this. This is the brush I'm about to use. We're gonna take the transition shade and just pat that in right up under the brow, and then we'll go in with Be Humble. So we're just gonna tap this here, just tap it. Mind you, it's a transition shade, so it's going to just blend the bottom of the concealer in with the bottom of the concealer in between, you know, it's just there to set in between the concealer of the brow and where I'm about to place the first pigment at. So I'm just patting it down right there. Here's a swatch of Be Humble. You don't see that? Swatch or Be Humble. We're gonna go in with Be Humble right here. We're gonna start applying her. So orange is a very good transition color as well. If your whatever palette you're using at home does not have the transition shade in there, orange is very good when it comes to, you know, melanated skin, black girls. Orange is very good to use. We're gonna then go in. It looks like I'm going back and forth from the inspiration to me in the palette, and I think that next I'm going to use yo, this Hello It's Me is calling my name. Okay, but we're not doing the purple look. Maybe we can. Maybe we can. Okay, I think I'm next gonna go in with Level Up in my crease area, and then we're gonna cut the crease. Yes, this is a more skinny brush that I'm using. We're gonna take Level Up. We're gonna take Level Up. Oof, look at that pigment. Ooh, the thing, pick that thing up, Corey. Okay, I see you, girl. All right, and then we're just gonna place that in the crease. So I'm just gonna press it in, and then we're gonna go back in and buff it out so that it blends in with the Be Humble in the crease area. Now if you see, like, my crease is down here, however when I look up you won't be able to see the crease, so I have to go above my crease so that you're able to see it when my eyes are open, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm just pressing in Level Up into my crease area like so. I'm taking that orange again and just blending into Level Up. I don't want it to be harsh lines. Like, I want it to be defined, but not like harsh lines, if you get what I'm saying. So me blending it with the orange, softens it up a little so that it doesn't look like it's just smacked on there. And then we go back in with the Level Up and kind of smoke it out just a little bit when we get out here. So I'm going to take Level Up on this fluffier brush, and I'm just going to blend that out some more over here. I'm going to cut the crease, so let me get my flat brush, my concealer. I got the LA Girl Pro concealer, obviously. I've been using the same concealer the whole face. I'll squeeze that out. I need to buy a new one. Also, you could always use a brighter concealer for your crease if you would like. You don't have to. You're just using it to cut the crease. Alright, so I don't know who I learned this from, but they said to swipe right here, look up, like, and right there where it touches the top, that's where you want your crease to be cut. So I'm gonna cut that. So you want to make sure you have enough concealer on your brush so that you're not picking up color. You're only using your concealer. Alright, so now our crease is cut, as you can see. Alright, it looks like she has glitter. Well, it looks like she went here. So what I'm gonna do is set where the concealer was with the that transition shade that we used earlier. Corey, I love this transition shade. I know she's watching this, so that's why I'm just talking like I'm talking to her. But I love this transition shade that you put in here. Cause honey, I am dipping into that thing. It seems like every time I do a makeup video, I tell y'all it's not a tutorial, but then I end up making it a tutorial. Why is that? I just feel like y'all gonna ask me questions, so I want to make sure I, you know, make sense when I'm trying to describe something to you. But all in all, so far, I'm loving this palette. It's pulling up everything I needed to, okay? All right, so now I am going to take this brush again, the smaller brush, and take Level Up, and then we're gonna like basically pretend like we have eyeliner. So we're gonna go from here over here with the, yeah, with it. These eyeshadows are so buttery. I'm literally just going across like where I want the cut to be, and it's just doing what I need to do. Like no extraness. I'm loving it. And then we're gonna fill that in with Superstar. I want to fill it in with Superstar. So that's what we're gonna do, honey. Or maybe I'll use Cocoa. No, we're gonna use Cocoa on the outside. Yeah, on the outside. I love that. Corey, get out of here. Get out of here. If y'all don't know, Superstar is what my dad calls me. Oh, that is cute, Corey. Next, I actually want to fill in where we put that transition shade. I think, let me swatch this real quick. Do I want to use Queen or do I, oh, I'm using Queen. 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 Wow, Corey, wow. And y'all, I'm not spraying these brushes. These are dry brushes. This is really what's going on over here. I'm like, whoa. Okay, I'm not shocked because I know like it's Corey. Like, come on, she's not gonna disappoint. But like, what? Are you serious? The pigment though. I'm about to swatch Cocoa. Corey, wow. Okay, this is what I'm about to do. I am about to, let me see. Yeah, I'm just gonna fill it in underneath with Level Up. Okay, then I'm gonna slap my lashes on, do my face. Yeah, I'm gonna fill this in down here with Level Up. Then I'm gonna do the rest of my face, right? And when I'm done with the rest of my face, I am going to come back and we're gonna do the full out. We're gonna do the full out review. Okay, we're just gonna do the full out review. Because when I pop some lashes on with this is not a game. This is not a game. This is not a game. This is not a game.
30 hertz straight up.
A little bit up here. All right, so now we're gonna do the under eye in the corner. In the corner, I'm gonna use, let's see, let me get another brush. Take this brush, and I am going to, because the picture, it looks like, you know, mad pink. Like, it looks really pink. Like, I'm gonna use Cocoa, and then I'm gonna put All Nighter in the middle of it. Can y'all see that? Oh, y'all can barely see. Can y'all see? By the way, the lashes I'm wearing are from the That's So collection. These are in the shade. These are in the style Bold. Yeah, these are in the style Bold. All right, now I'm just going to add some pink down below, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna use XOXO. going to add some mascara to my bottom lashes, take my hair up this bonnet, and we'll be done, honey. We'll be done. Alright, you guys, so here is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Final review, get this palette. All I gotta say, get the palette. Alright, it's only $20 right now on her website, so I will link it down below. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Are you serious? Are you serious? Catch me on Instagram. That's all I gotta say. I don't understand why you wouldn't buy this palette, especially because I honestly feel like she could have charged more than $20. That's all I gotta say. I mean, look at this. Superstar is definitely my favorite pigment inside of here, and I love Cocoa as well. Cocoa is what is in the inner crease, and Superstar is what is above my lashes. These lashes are from my company. I think I said that already. Moving on. But yeah, catch me on TikTok. I had to switch the shirt, honey, because I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my, okay? Period. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Oh, wait. No, not bye. I have lip gloss on. Okay, so I'm gonna, this is, I think this is red wine. I'm going to put this all over my lip. All over my lip. Y'all, these lip glosses smell so good. Again, these are from Smudge Cosmetics as well. Okay. I almost closed the video out with dry lips, honey. Let's just get into that. And then right in the middle, I'm going to apply Rosé. Look how big that applicator is. Are you kidding me? And I'm just gonna look at that. Ooh! I have to use it. Like, I'm obsessed with it. Look at the pigment. Oh, and it just smells so good. This one smells like strawberry shortcake. Alright, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna catch you later. Yeah, it is. Just kidding. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys, for the support. Bye.